So right now I'm going to show you how I inject the catfish. Actually I'm done injecting it. So I have the syringe with me. I just have to demonstrate to you how I inject it, which spot I have to poke in the needle. So as you can see here, this is the head, this is the fin in here. You can see here. So I inject in this in between, just align with this fin, the top of the fin, and you move halfway to the belly. So the spot is right here. It's around halfway below and on top, but it's aligned with this top of this fin. So you have to inject here. It's right or left, doesn't matter. And some people teach that we have to inject both sides, but using Ovaprim I only inject one side. The full dosage is injected in one spot only. So for example, I have to inject this, so I have to poke it slanting this way. It's not straight like that, it should be slanting towards the tail around 45 degrees. Then you poke it in fully, then retract by maybe 3 mm so that it will have a gap inside wherein the Ovaprim can deposit. Then after you inject the full dosage, you have to slowly pull out the needle and pushing the spot where you have injected so that the wound will close up and the Ovaprim will not come out. But even though I do it that way, still some little of the Ovaprim comes out. So as you can see here, there's something like a burning effect here. When I pull it out, I press this spot, but a little bit come out, so there's a burning effect on the skin of the catfish. So this is a 1.34 kg catfish. I injected it with 0.34 ml of this Ovaprim. So that's our sharing and update. So it's 9 p.m. so tomorrow 9 a.m. we will strip them of the eggs. Thank you for watching. God bless.